Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Walgreens haul for you guys, a Walgreens grocery haul for you guys. Today is day 2 of the My Walgreens days. But before I get into these deals, if you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you would consider hitting that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload new videos. With that being said, let's go ahead and get right into this haul. Okay, you guys, so as we all know, today is day 2 of the My Walgreens days, and the digital booster that we are working with today is get $10 in Walgreens cash when you spend $20 on groceries, snack, and beverage. And then we are also going to stack that with the get 25% Walgreens cash on for all of your purchases for the week. So I did 2 transactions. I did a curbside pickup order and I did an in-store order. So first up, we are going to go ahead and start with my curbside pickup order. So I went out to Walgreens this morning and I picked up my order. I don't physically have a receipt for you guys because as the employee was coming out of the store, my receipt flew out of her hand. But I did take a screenshot of my order online. So I'm going to show you guys that. So in my curbside pickup order, I grabbed 3 of the Sprites, 3 packages of the Sprites, 2 Pop-Tarts, 2 boxes of Pop-Tarts, 2 Kit Kats, and also 2 Snickers. So first up, we're going to talk about the Sprites. So the Sprites, there are no coupons for the Sprites. They are just priced at 3 for $14.99. For the Pop-Tarts, I also didn't have any coupons for the Pop-Tarts. They are just buy one, get one free. And online, these specific Pop-Tarts were priced at $4.29. So when you divide that by 2, it just makes them $2.14 each. And then for the Kit Kat, I grabbed 2 of those and they are priced at 2 for $2.50. We do have a $1 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So with using that digital coupon, it brings the total down to just 2 for $1.50, or it makes each one just 75 cents. And then lastly, with the Snickers, these are priced online at Walgreens for 99 cents. We do have a $2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So for both of these, the total is going to be $1.98. The coupon will take off $1.98, making both packages completely free. So that is everything that I got in my curbside pickup order. And then I also used the promo code FAST10. So that took off some additional savings. So before any coupons and promo codes, my curbside pickup order total came out to be $23.76. I used the promo code FAST10 and that took off $2.09. And that brought my total down to $21.67. Then my $2.98 in digital coupons, the $1 for the Kit Kat and the $1.98 for the Snickers. That's a total of $2.98. So $21.67 minus the $2.98 in digital coupons. That brought my total down to $18.69. And then in Walgreens cash, y'all, the Walgreens app has been acting real weird for me today. So I wasn't able to log into my account on the app to show you guys how many points I got back. But I did go on the website and I was able to see how many points I got back from this transaction. So I'm going to insert a screenshot. So $18.69, and in Walgreens Cash Rewards, I did receive back $16.22. So $18.69 minus that $16.22 that I received in Walgreens Cash Rewards, that brought my grand total down to just $2.47 for 3 packs of Sprites, 2 boxes of Pop-Tarts, 2 Kit Kats, and 2 fun-size snack bags of Snickers candy. $2.47 for all of that, which made that a fantastic deal, you guys. And of that $16.22, $10 came from the digital booster. Get $10 when you spend $20 in grocery, snack, or beverage. And then a $6.22 came from my second booster. Get 25% Walgreens cash on all of your purchases for the week. So that is what I got in my curbside pickup order. Absolutely fantastic transaction. So next up is going to be my in-store transaction that I did. And for that transaction, I grabbed 2 boxes of Fruit Loop cereal, 2 boxes of Frosted Flakes cereal. a package of noodles, and then I grabbed 4 boxes of DiGiorno pizza, and I'm so excited about the DiGiorno pizza. So with the Fruit Loops cereal, well, with the Fruit Loops and the Frosted Flakes, they are buy one, get one free this week at Walgreens. So they are priced at $6.79 in the store. I had no digital coupons or anything. So $6.79. For on IBOTTA, the Fruit Loop has a rebate for $1 back. The limit is $5. And then the Kellogg's also has a $1 rebate. The limit is $5. But I only purchased 2 of each, so I got back $2 for $2 for the Fruit Loops and $2 for my Kellogg's. So $6.79 minus the $2 rebate, it'll bring your total down to just $4.79 for 2 boxes. And then next up, I went ahead and I grabbed the DiGiorno cheese pizza. Now these pizzas in Walgreens, you guys, are regularly priced at $9.79. Absolutely crazy. $9.79 for 1 box of pizza. And I was able to get these pizzas on clearance. So for the cheese pizza, which is right here, the 4 cheese pizza, that pizza box, those pizzas were on clearance for $2.49. And then I also grabbed 2 boxes of the 3 meat DiGiorno pizzas, and those were on clearance for $2.99. And my store is actually stocked, completely stocked. So I think I'm going to go back and go ahead and stock our freezer up because we don't have any pizza, and I need to do a grocery haul anyway, and I was going to pick up pizza anyway. So I'm most definitely going to go back a little bit later to stock up because I do have about 2 other Walgreens accounts that has that digital booster that I can use. So no coupons or anything. Again, for the 4 cheese pizza, they are on clearance at my store for $2.49. And for the 3 meat pizza, they are on clearance at my store for $2.99. And then I just went ahead and grabbed this 6-pack of ramen noodles. This is the chicken flavor. So let me go ahead and show you all my receipts. So there are my Kellogg's Fruit Loops, $6.79. The second one rang up free. The Kellogg's Frosted Flakes, $6.79. My second one rang up free. And then my 4 cheese DiGiorno pizza, 2 at $2.49, so $4.98 total. And my 2 3 meat DiGiorno pizzas, 2 at $2.99, so $5.98 total. And then my ramen noodles at $3.49. I did use 4 $5 registry rewards to bring my out-of-pocket a little bit lower. So my subtotal came out to be $8.03, but when I factor back in that $20 in registry rewards, it actually brings my total to $28.03. So $28.03 in Walgreens cash rewards, I did receive back $17.28. So $28.03 minus the $17.28 that I received in Walgreens cash rewards, that brought my total down to $10.75. Then I submitted my receipt over to IBOTTA. I got back $2 for my Fruit Loop cereal, and I got back $2 for the Frosted Flakes cereal. So I got back a total of $4 from IBOTTA. So $10.75 minus the $4 that I got back from IBOTTA, that brought my total down to $6.75. But not only that, you guys, I always submit my receipts to Fetch Rewards, and I always tell you guys to make sure that you submit your receipts to Fetch Rewards, because before I went into Walgreens, I did not check my Fetch Rewards account for any rebates at all. So when I submitted this receipt, I got back 3,500 points, which is $3.50, and I got that back from the DiGiorno. So for the DiGiorno pizza, when you buy 2, you will receive back $1.75, and you can do that up to 2 times. So I purchased 4 boxes of pizza, and I got back $3.50. So I was so excited to have seen that, guys. So $6.75 minus the $3.50 that I got from Fetch Rewards, that brought my total down to just $3.25, which was amazing. So $3.25 for 4 boxes of cereal, 4 boxes of DiGiorno pizzas, and 1 package of noodles. That is fantastic, you guys. So when you combine both of my transactions, on my first transactions, I spent on my first transaction, I spent a total of $2.47. And in my second transaction, I spent a total of $3.25. So in total, for everything that you see right here, I paid a total of $5.72, you guys. So this was, oh my gosh, like Walgreens is just it this week. Like, OMG. I am so happy about this haul, you guys. I don't know what to do. And the best part about it is that I was going to get all of these items anyway. Well, minus the Kit Kat and the sneakers, but the sneakers were free. The Kit Kat were cheap. The Kit Kats were cheap. So, but I was going to get all of this anyway because, like I said, I have to do a grocery shop. And these are the items that I was going to pick up anyway. So to have gotten them all for just $5.72, that is a win in my book. So that is everything that I got in this transaction, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comment section what grocery items you all are getting this week. And I will see you guys in my next video.